Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Monetary aggregates can be tricky, but we will find the similarity between M0 and M2 in just a few quick steps. Let's go. The monetary base, or M0, consists of all currency in circulation plus bank reserves held at the central bank. It represents the most liquid form of money in our entire economy. M2 is a much broader measure of the money supply. It includes everything in M1, like cash and checking deposits, plus savings accounts and other near-money assets that people hold. Both measures account for physical cash held by the public, so they both include currency in circulation. Option A is the final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush, watch signs, trust the data, and check your steps.